I find it intriguing when people see you and they create certain expectations of you in their head. And also, when they create that expectation, they're also expecting you to live up to them. Like when they set those standards, you have to live up to you have to be up to whatever they place, pedestal they place in their head. And when you are not able to do or do that, then it seems as if you are failing them, you are not who you claim to be in that. And the funny part about this is that you are just trying to live your life, you are trying to exist. And somebody is expecting it to be the latest Isaac Newton or what. But to be honest, it has the good and the bad side because the good advisor you are able to surpass such expectations. It means that yeah, you're whatever you say you are. And at the other time too, if you are not being able to do that, live up to such expectations, if you see that it comes with its own pros and cons, don't you still just have to say at the end of the day, still live your life. You know what I'm saying? Type shit.